Welcome, Buccaneer. Signing up for payment plans is a great way to pay for your account balance throughout the semester. Barry's payment plans do not have interest, and students on a payment plan also avoid late fees. In this tutorial, we will learn how to sign up for a payment plan via your student portal. First, log into your student portal. Once on the home screen, you'll click on the Student Finance link where you will be redirected to your account summary page. On the account summary page, you'll click on the Make a Payment link. Then, on the next screen, you'll click the blue Continue to Payment Center button to be redirected to the Flywire Payment Center portal. On the Payment Center dashboard, there are two buttons located at the bottom of the page. A red button labeled Make a Payment and another labeled Enroll in Plan. You'll want to click on the Enroll in Plan button. Once redirected to the Payment Plans tab, you will see two options: make a one-time payment or set up a monthly payment. It is important to note that the payment plan is only available for current or future terms and only for fall or spring semesters. Additionally, the payment plan can only be used for one semester at a time. When registering for a payment plan, there is a $35 non-refundable enrollment fee. Payments are automatically billed on the first of every month. You'll want to click on the Select Plan button in the second box. In the Balance Due box, you may adjust the overall balance to split into monthly installments by clicking on the balance and typing the desired amount, or you can leave it as is and click the Continue button. Here is a pro tip: the sooner you sign up for the payment plan, the more months you have available, which means smaller monthly payments. You will want to review the payment details, then select the desired payment method. Make sure to fill out all the required information for the selected payment method. If you are unsure where to find the requested information, click on the question mark within the text box for additional instruction. Be sure to read all options thoroughly, as some may include additional fees and/or restrictions. Lastly, click the Continue button to proceed. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful and you take advantage of this resource. If you have any questions about your balance or Barry's payment plan, please stop by our Student Services Center here in Farrell Hall. See you in our next video.